Wait, did you know that you can open a domiciliary account with just $0? Yes, you've heard me right. You can open a domiciliary or dollar account with just $0. I know almost all the commercial banks in Nigeria usually requires minimum of $50 to $100 as minimum deposit for domiciliary account opening. So right here on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step process on how to open a domiciliary or dollar account with just $0. Yes, you don't need $50 or $100 that your bank might be telling you to bring. So I'm going to show you this process for free on how you can actually get this account without making any payment or deposit. But before we dive into this, welcome back to Jorex Official. On this channel, we talk about YouTube growth and how to make money online. So if today is your first time of visiting this channel, make sure to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So with the way things are right now in this country, a lot of people will not be able to afford $50 or $100 for them to open a domiciliary account right here in Nigeria. It will be a very big challenge to many people, because if you convert this money to naira, as of today's exchange rate, it's going to be around 150,000 naira, and I'm sure many people will not be able to afford this amount of money just for opening a domiciliary account, because if you check it very well, they are just starting out. So I recently discovered how to open a domiciliary or dollar account right here in Nigeria for free by yourself and with $0 without going to bank. Yes, this is what I will be showing you right here on this video. Note, I'm not talking about GPay, Ray, Payoneer, or even Chipper Cash. Yes, because these are apps that you can also use to open a domiciliary account for free right here in Nigeria. But guess what? Account opening using these apps cannot be used for YouTube. Yes, if you are a creator right here on YouTube and you need a domiciliary account to be receiving your payments, if you use Chipper Cash, Ray, Payoneer, or even GPay, you will not be able to use those accounts, or you will not be able to use this particular account in receiving payments on YouTube. Let me tell you why. This is because these banks or these apps doesn't offer domiciliary accounts of their own. Yes, they partnered with others foreign company or others foreign accounts. Example, Gray, and Gray partners with this bank, and this bank is located in US. Yes, it's a United States bank and not a Nigerian bank. And according to Google AdSense, their policy is that your bank should be located in Nigeria as a Nigeria. So the bank should be located in Nigeria or any other African countries that you are. Understand? I'm using Nigeria because I'm a Nigerian. So this implies to every other African countries at all. So using GPay or Gray in your dollar account is not going to work for your YouTube payment. So the second thing that disqualify these apps or these banks is that they don't offer Swift code. Swift code is what Google AdSense is going to require you to provide when adding your bank details. This app doesn't offer Swift code. Instead, they offer what we call ACH routing. Yes, that's what they offer, and it automatically disqualified it to be used on YouTube. But note, you can actually use those, or you can actually use this account on other social media platforms like TikTok and Facebook. Yeah, I think you can use it on Facebook, but not on YouTube. So what I'll be teaching you right here on this video is a method, or is how to open a domiciliary account that you can use to be receiving your payment from YouTube or Google AdSense. To open a working domiciliary account that you can be using for YouTube or to be receiving payment on YouTube or Google AdSense, here is what you need to do. Open your domiciliary account by yourself without going to bank. All you have to do is to head over to your Play Store or App Store and download this app called ALAT. Yes, download this app right there. This is Wema Bank app and it is called ALAT by Wema. So after you download the app, you click on open. After clicking on open, you now click on get started. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions. After clicking on it, you now click on proceed. So all you have to do is to
input these informations right here. After you might have input the information, then it's now going to take you to your dashboard. So on your dashboard like this, you will require to upgrade your account. Yes, before you can get a domiciliary account on this app, you will have to upgrade your account to tier 3. As you can see right here, I'm currently on tier 3, but if you open your own, it's going to show you, or it's going to require that you upgrade the account to tier 3 before you will be able to create a domiciliary account. And how can you upgrade your account to tier 3? It's just by submitting your address verification, which you can use your NEPA bill, water bill, or even commercial bank statement. After submitting your details for verification, this process usually takes like 2 to 5 days to fully verify your account and upgrade it to level 3. So after this might have been done, your address will be successfully verified. So all you have to do is to head over and click on create account. So after clicking on create account, you are going to see domiciliary account. Then you now tap on domiciliary account. You can check these informations right here. Zero minimum opening and operating amount. You see, you can actually open this account with $0, and you can see maximum cash withdrawal limit equivalent to $2,000. So this is the maximum amount you can actually withdraw on this account, and no limit of inflow. It can actually receive any amount of money. So after that, you can head over and click on proceed. So after clicking on proceed, boom, your dollar account will be ready for use. So this is just how to get a working domiciliary account that you can be using to get your YouTube payment without you going to bank.
So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video and comment I found it helpful on the comment section. Share this video to others and also subscribe to this channel to get notified whenever we drop a banker like this. See you on the next video. Bye.